Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this toilet, so I thought I'd kind of give you guys my 2 cents based on my experience and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick that I actually found a pretty good deal on this toilet, and I'll put a link in the description below for you guys so you can check that deal out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. Anyway, let's see. I guess I should say that in my opinion, this should be the gold standard of what a toilet should be. I know it's kind of weird, first of all, to review a toilet, but hey, I really like this thing, and it's worth talking about, honestly, because for the money, there is not a better toilet out there in terms of quality, looks. I mean, let's be honest with you. It's nice to have a nice modern-looking toilet, and this one certainly fits the bill for that. Efficiency and just kind of overall satisfaction. This really ticks all the boxes. It's got a really nice flush. First of all, it has the dual flush you can use, which I won't get into, but you can kind of assume what it's for. One's for one type of thing, the other one's for another type of thing. It comes with a really comfortable seat, and it comes with a soft closing lid, which is really nice, so that you can never slam the lid closed. It'll automatically, come down slow, which is nice. Very, very sharp looking. It sounds weird, but the toilet kind of makes the whole look of the bathroom. It's weird. You could take an outdated looking bathroom and put this toilet in it, and it'll look like you've just upped the room by like 20 years. It's really hard to explain. You kind of just have to, appreciate it yourself, but it has a very, very sleek, nice, modern look. Elongated bowl. If you've never had an elongated bowl toilet, you're going to think this is the greatest thing in the world. Every toilet should be elongated bowl now, unless you enjoy, I don't even know, unless you like annoyance. Very easy to install, very, very good quality. Woodbridge are one of the best toilet brands out there. And honestly, this toilet should easily cost $700 or $800 if you look at its competition, but it is much, much, much cheaper than that. Anyway, love this thing, highly recommend it. 2 thumbs up. If you guys have any questions about it or anything, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.